let's just go through this for the sake of going through this. So if we have, let's say, a sine, right? Our sine, we say sine theta. And then the angle in question is this. Let's call it theta. Which one would be your opposite? Which one would be your opposite? So if you said this would be your opposite, since that angle is that, this will be your opposite, you are very much correct. Because this angle, the angle in question, the angle that we're using at that particular time, its opposite side is this. Then this 90 degrees shows where the hypotenuse is. This 90 degrees shows where the hypotenuse is. So our hypotenuse will be right here. Opposite side of this angle is that. So that's where our hypotenuse is. So we have opposite hypotenuse. That makes this to be adjacent. Okay, so just to make it more interesting, let's say we put numbers. Let me say this is 8, this is 4, this is 6. All right, so for sine, we are going to say sine theta is equal to opposite, which is 4, over hypotenuse, which is 8. All right, our opposite is 4, our hypotenuse is 8. What about for cos? We say cos theta. What are we going to get? Remember what we said about cos theta when it comes to SOHCAHTOA? It's adjacent of hypotenuse. So what is our adjacent? It is 6. Over what is our hypotenuse? It is 8. If you want, you can simplify your work. You say by 2 muja, it's okay. Then the last one, tan theta. Okay, what are we going to do with tan? Remember, tan, it is opposite over adjacent. Opposite over adjacent. So what is our opposite? It's 4. Over our adjacent is 6. Have you seen how they are operating differently, right? We have 4 over 8, we have 6 over 8, we have 4 over 6. Now, let's come to this. Let's say if this is our theta, then we go with the same measurement. Let's say this is our 8 centimeter, then this is our 4 centimeter, and that is our 6 centimeter. Are we going to have the same numbering as that? Let's see. Sine theta, because our angle has moved, it was here, now the angle in question is here. So what would be our opposite? Is it going to be this one, like the way it was this? No, its opposite side would be that. This angle, its opposite side is this. So it is opposite of hypotenuse, so our opposite would be 6. What about our hypotenuse? Our hypotenuse is that. Because of that 90, this will be adjacent. So hypotenuse is this. Opposite is that according to this angle, then adjacent is that. So we say opposite over hypotenuse, so to be 6 over 8. Okay, then we say tan theta is equal to, you can start with tan, it's all right. For tan, what do we get? It is the opposite of adjacent, so to be 6 over 4. Then what about for cos? For cos, we said it is adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent is 4, hypotenuse is 8. Like that. Have you seen the behavior, right? What I'm doing this, I just want you to be familiarized with how to identify the sides. Let's look at another example.